today?
Easter! Easter! And today we are learning the colors of the eggs.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's learn the colors.
Oh, wait.
What's that, Theo?
There's
Is it a dinosaur egg? And
This
what's
is-
inside? Okay, David?
This is color blue, green,
Okay.
this color is purple,
Okay.
this color is yellow.
Can you show me what is...
Color
Okay.
is red.
Okay. And who made those colorful eggs?
Us.
Yeah, well done. And what colors are these?
Orange,
Orange, yes.
orange, blue, green,
Okay.
pink,
Yes.
purple, dark purple,
Mm-hmm.
dark purple, yellow.
Yellow. Well done. Okay.
Yellow like the sun.
Yellow like the sun. Well done. Okay, and do you have any favorite eggs?
Yes.
Show them to me. What's that, David?
Tennis hand.
Let me see it. Wow, is that Thanos from Fortnite?
Yes.
Well
Of
done.
the game. It's so strong. Tennis.
Yeah.
With his hand.
Okay. What else?
This is Gecko. A PJ mask.
Yeah.
The couple
That's
killing
nice. And
Give
Thea, what do you have? What is your favorite egg? Show it to me.
Sabeden.
Spider-Man. Wow. Okay. What is the other favorite egg? Show it to me.
Kid boy.
Catboy again from the PG Masks?
That's right.
Yeah. Okay. And David, what did you find?
A dinosaur egg.
A dinosaur egg. Let's open it. It's a dinosaur. Well done.
This dinosaur is green.
Yes, green. Well done. Let's repeat the colors once again.
Green.
Green? Okay. But show me the eggs and repeat the colors.
Let me show you. Green.
Green, okay.
Purple.
A red.
Red.
Okay, well done. Can you show me the other eggs and tell me the colors?
This
What color is that?
blue.
Blue like?
The sky.
Okay,
This is green like the grass.
okay.
See this?
What else?
Purple.
Purple, like flowers, okay.
Yellow like the sun.
Well done, boys. Now let's say Happy Easter, everyone.
Happy Easter, everyone. Hello, I am David. Hi, I'm Teo. And we can see who is the winner
Okay,
of the Easter egg.
okay,
Oh,
okay. Now the other side. Now Theo will. Okay. Who is the winner?
me!
Well done. Happy Easter, boys.
Bye.
Bye.
This is the strongest hand. This is Diana's hand. It's a Fortnite Avengers. And it's so strong. And she can destroy all people with one straight.
Okay.
And today I will show one dance.